Thank you for joining me here today. We are at 6038 Quick Lane Avenue in Centerburg, Ohio. This is an exquisite farmhouse that sits on 5 acres of land. I'll do a quick pan around here for you. Has a shed as you saw a moment ago, and there's a chicken coop. This is a great little farmhouse, just sits outside of Johnstown, out in the country. This is great country living. As you can see there is a full-size barn, which is accessible for the tenants' use. There is lots of storage space that is inside. Let me keep panning around here for you. We have cornfields that sit next to us. There's a great windmill here in the front yard. Let's go ahead and come on inside and we'll check the house out. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath farmhouse. It has been newly renovated this year. If you would like to schedule a tour with us, give us a call today at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. So as we make our way into the house, we have our entryway. You do have a hall closet, beautiful hardwood floors, and our first room here to the left is the first bathroom that does have shower, bathtub. Beautiful vanity set. Also does come equipped with washer and dryer. Plenty of shelving for storage space. So we make our way back through. The first room that we do come to is a flex room. This could be an entertainment area, office, kids' playroom, crafting room. The options are endless. You can also use this as a formal dining room as well. Just off of this room, we have a fully screened in all seasons room. Nice big area here. You also have access out to the nice size large deck. Sitting right next to that is your shed. There are some walking trails out here as well. This house is propane heat. Tenants will need to supply their own propane. Again, to schedule a tour with us today, give us a call. Number is 614-505-6212. You can also go online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. As we make our way through, we come to the large living room area. You have another closet here in the living room. The living room does have a side door that leads out to the side deck. Show you. Just off of the kitchen here, or I'm sorry, off of the living room here, we have the kitchen with the breakfast dining area. As you can see that they have beautiful hardwood floors. State-of-the-art appliances. Plenty of cabinet space. If you would like to schedule a tour with us today, give us a call at 614-505-6212 or go online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. We're going to make our way back through the hallway Again, we are here at the entrance. So when you do come in the entrance, the basement access is right here as well. We make our way through the flex room and up to the second level. These are unique stairs here, where as we come up to the top, it'll break away. And to our left, to our right, excuse me, we have the master bedroom. Making our way out of the master bedroom and through the hall. Straight ahead of us is the second bathroom. This bathroom has a stand-up shower. The first room on the left. This is the smallest of the three rooms. It does have dual closets. As you have noticed, the upstairs and the living room and flex room area are all wall-to-wall carpeting. Beautiful wood paneling up here. And as we go across the hall, we come to our third bedroom. And again, to schedule a tour with us today, give us a call at 614-505-6212, or you can go online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. This concludes our tour for today, and we thank you for taking this with us. We look forward to hearing from you. Don't miss out on this home at 6038 Quick Lane Avenue in Centerburg, Ohio. You can schedule a tour today by calling 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. Have a great day. We look forward to hearing from you.